Welcome back. Nearly 2 weeks after devastating floods in Texas, cleanup is underway in one impacted town. Thousands of families were affected, and now a local veteran-led team is stepping up to help neighbors recover. Sarah Boyette reports in San Angelo.
Almost 2 weeks after the July 4th flood, and many homes are still left like this. Many San Angelo residents are still facing the challenge of cleaning out their flood-damaged homes, with few resources offering hands-on assistance.
We got a phone call right after the 4th, the weekend of the 4th, and Daniel came up with an idea of, hey, can we get some people together and kind of pull together and try to help these folks get some of their stuff out of the homes because it was already bad. So we've been at this now. This is week number 2. We're going to continue doing as much. Thank goodness he's got a nice big trailer that we can load up and get things out if we can, and making sure that people are taking the pictures that they need to take. All that kind of stuff is taken care of from their ends because we want to make sure that they get the assistance, the financial assistance that they need.
What started as a simple call turned into a full-blown cleanup effort led by Toys for Tots and Little D's junk removal. During the cleanup, they found many of the homes were veteran-owned.
We're dealing with there's a lot of retirees in this community. And what we've run into and noticed the most, not because we're asking the question, but just in talking to these folks, the majority of the homes that we've been at have been veteran-owned homes.
One by one, they helped flood victims clear out their homes, many elderly, disabled, or living alone.
This morning, where you're at with us today, this is also a disabled veteran, actually, that, Air Force veteran, and it's just he and his wife, and they're elderly, and so they need some help. So we're coming in here, pulling out carpet, getting what we can, getting it out. And we're just going to continue to do this for however long we can.
The team, made up of veterans and volunteers, is working daily and calling on the community to join them and help to keep the effort going. Their mission is clear, turning heartbreak into hope, one home and one smile at a time.
There's people that are either missing one of their significant other or they're unable as far as health-wise, and it's just sad. It's very sad. So that's where we come in and we take that burden off of them and we take over, and when we leave, it's a smile on their face, and that's our goal. Just want to make sure, we can turn something, make a difference. Make a difference. That's our goal.
They're continuing their work and reaching out to anyone who needs help with their home. Reporting in San Angelo, I'm Sarah Boyette.